And then
Oh my gosh.
everything else you're on the hook for. Everything else, they're coming after you. So I see a lot of that.
Okay.
A lot of underinsured because that's the cheapest, right? Let's get the cheapest one. That's what we got to
yep.
do. I would recommend that your bottom level be 100, 300. I would always say bump that up to 100, 300 at least. We in this agency will not write insurance under 100, 300. And that's mainly a cover our butt. Like we care about you not getting sued by a lot, but I
Right.
also don't want to have an E&O claim because I recommended that you get the lowest possible insurance coverage, and now you're getting sued for $200,000, and you're up the creek without a paddle.
So is that where like an umbrella policy would help?
Yes, but you cannot get an umbrella policy if you have state minimums. Companies won't write you an umbrella policy at state minimums because the risk is too high that the umbrella is going to have to get used.
Okay.
So the umbrella policy comes in over the top of your highest liability limits on your auto and your home. So let's say you have the 100, 300 coverage and you cause an accident, multiple vehicles, multiple people, the bill is 600,000, right? Without an umbrella, you're on the hook for the extra 300,000. With the umbrella, that's covered. Because it's you technically, if you have 100, 300, you have 1.3 million in liability coverage because you have that umbrella over the top.
Okay.
So that's where that comes in. And the higher that you go with your liability limits, typically the lower the cost of the umbrella because there's
sure.
less of a risk
Less
that
risk.
the umbrella is going to be used in
Okay.
that scenario.